guys, this DB9 just got purchased by Todd. He just drove it from Houston back to Westchester, Pennsylvania. My R8, which you guys have all seen. We're gonna go on a little bit of a cruise today, so I'll try and get some driving videos. Here's my buddy's R8. This is a 2014 dual clutch, much nicer than mine, way nicer seats, way nicer everything, full carbon package. Kind of jealous of it, honestly. And we have a nice brand new Gran Turismo. That hood is full carbon fiber. You guys might have seen that in a couple other videos at the Maserati dealership. Another GT over here. And then Eric's GT4. Full headers, exhaust, Dundon Motorsports. The T37s are sweet. Aren't the wheels like, they made 20 sets of the wheels? It was like a custom run.
Yeah, and then they stopped making them.
Wow. Pretty sweet. All right, guys, we're gonna go for a drive to Valley Forge. Let this puppy warm up a little bit. It's freezing out today. We got Todd with the DB9. Valley Forge, just here to take a couple pictures of the cars. I believe over to the left there's a big monument, and it's a cool spot to park up the cars and take a picture. So we got all the cars here at the monument. Guys, I'm gonna try out this driving position just to get some point of view driving, I guess. I don't have anything to put my GoPro on my head or anything like that. It's also charging while filming. So we're out in Valley Forge. I'm leading the squad right now, so yeah, it's pretty trafficy right now. Maybe we'll find some other roads that are a little less packed and we can sort of wind out the gears a little bit. The R8's a pretty good car. I like it a lot so far. It's very comfortable, very easy to drive. The handling is really excellent and the steering feel is like perfect. It's really, really great. Everything about this car just feels really dialed, so very happy with it. I have listed it for sale just to see if anyone would buy it, and so far I haven't really heard anything or had any serious interest. So I'll just keep it and enjoy it for now and make videos for you guys with it as much as I can. Just let me know in the comments what else you guys want to see. Fun car. It only makes 420 horsepower, but it really handles just so well. And you don't really need much more horsepower than that to have fun on back roads. I mean, even the Cayman was only 300 wheel, and that's still the most fun car that I've owned for sure. I think it was more fun than the R8 just because it was stick, and I didn't care about it as much because I could just beat on it. It was so much cheaper. But that's, you know, this car is still fantastic. I mean, it has so much more creature comforts, and it just looks so amazing compared to the Cayman too. So yeah, I mean, it's just, you have plenty of oomph to just kind of power through windy roads. Wide open throttle up in the high RPMs, it kind of just dumps through the gears, which is really nice. Definitely quicker than you can shift it. Other than that though, you know, it's kind of lackluster shifting. I actually don't really prefer the R-tronic very much. I don't think many people do. But believe me, there are people that will say the R-tronic is the best, which is, I think, insane. Houses out here. I mean, just millions and millions of dollars in real estate here. It's just insane. This is pretty cool. This is a covered bridge. We have these all over in this part of Pennsylvania. At least I don't know if they're across the state or in other states really, but I know in Pennsylvania where I live in the eastern region, it's a very common like historic thing to have these. So we saw two cars go that way, so I'm gonna go left here. Alright, so we're wrapping up the day. We just had some district taco, one of my favorite taco places.
I always forget my old.
Got my R8, we got Ray's R8, and I think Todd and Matt parked their cars way over there. You can see the DB9. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to like and subscribe. I'll make some more R8 videos in the future. Thank you.